Southeast Asia. Adventure awaits under $2,000. Comment below and let's go! Thailand, the land of smiles, is the perfect starting point for your Southeast Asian adventure. It's a country of contrasts. Find bustling cities and tranquil temples. Explore lush jungles and pristine beaches. And the best part, it's incredibly affordable. Bangkok, the vibrant capital, can be a whirlwind of sensory overload. Explore the majestic Grand Palace, wander through bustling markets, sample delicious street food, escape to Chiang Mai, nestled in the mountainous north. Visit Elephant Nature Park, a sanctuary for elephants. Wat Phra that Doi Suthep offers breathtaking views. Find budget-friendly accommodations in Bangkok and Chiang Mai. Thailand will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Next, we venture to Vietnam, a country of breathtaking landscapes and rich history. Our journey begins in Hanoi, the charming capital. Hanoi is a city best explored on foot. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the old quarter. Each street is dedicated to a specific trade. You'll find everything from silk to silver. Immerse yourself in Vietnamese culture at the Temple of Literature. This serene oasis is dedicated to Confucius and is a testament to Vietnam's rich literary tradition. For a glimpse into the life of Ho Chi Minh, visit his mausoleum. No trip to Vietnam is complete without a visit to Halong Bay. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a sight to behold. Thousands of limestone islands rise majestically from the emerald waters. Take a boat trip through this breathtaking landscape. Explore hidden caves and swim in the crystal clear waters. Spend a night under the stars on a traditional junk boat. Prepare to be captivated by Cambodia, a country of ancient temples and pristine beaches. Our first stop is Siem Reap, gateway to the awe-inspiring Angkor Wat. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest religious monument in the world. Explore the sprawling complex of temples, each one more impressive than the last. Wake up early to witness the sunrise over Angkor Wat. After immersing yourself in history, it's time to relax on the coast. Head to Sihanoukville, home to some of Cambodia's most beautiful beaches. Sink your toes into the white sand, swim in the turquoise waters, indulge in fresh seafood at beachfront restaurants. For a more secluded escape, take a boat trip to one of the nearby islands. Cambodia is incredibly affordable, even for budget travelers. Section 5, Bali Paradise found on a budget. Our Southeast Asian adventure culminates in Bali, the island of the gods. This Indonesian paradise offers something for everyone. From stunning beaches to lush rice terraces, Bali is a feast for the senses. And it's surprisingly affordable. Start your Balinese adventure in Ubud, the cultural heart of the island. Immerse yourself in Balinese art and culture. Visit the Ubud monkey forest and be entertained by the playful macaques. For a truly spiritual experience, visit the Tirta Empul temple and bathe in the sacred waters. No trip to Bali is complete without a visit to the iconic rice terraces. The Tegalalang rice terraces are a sight to behold. For a truly unique experience, stay in a traditional Balinese house overlooking the rice paddies. Bali is a haven for surfers and beach lovers. Head to Kuta for world-class waves and a lively nightlife scene. Seminyak offers chic beach clubs and trendy restaurants. For a more secluded escape, head to the Bukit Peninsula. Bali is surprisingly affordable, even for budget travelers. Warungs, small family-run restaurants, serve up delicious and affordable Balinese cuisine. Section 6. Savouring Southeast Asia, a foodie's guide. One of the greatest joys of travelling through Southeast Asia is indulging in the region's diverse and delicious cuisine. From the spicy curries of Thailand to the fragrant pho of Vietnam, your taste buds are in for a treat. And the best part? You can eat like a king without spending a fortune. Street food is an integral part of Southeast Asian culture. It's also incredibly affordable. You can find a hearty and delicious meal for a couple of dollars. Don't be afraid to try new things. In Thailand, be sure to sample pad thai, green curry and mango sticky rice. In Vietnam, pho is a must-try. Other Vietnamese favorites include banh mi, spring rolls and bun cha. Cambodian cuisine is known for its fragrant curries and fresh seafood. Be sure to try fish amak, a traditional dish of fish steamed in coconut milk. In Indonesia, you'll find a wide variety of dishes influenced by Chinese, Indian and Malay cuisine. Nasi goreng, fried rice with vegetables and meat, is a national favorite. Section 7. Getting around transportation tips and tricks. Getting around Southeast Asia is surprisingly easy and affordable. With a little planning, you can navigate the region without breaking the bank. Budget airlines like AirAsia and Scoot offer incredibly cheap flights between major cities in Southeast Asia. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can often find flights for as low as $20. Within cities, you'll find a variety of transportation options. Grab and Gojek are popular ride-hailing apps that offer affordable rides. Local buses are another cheap and cheerful option. For shorter distances, consider taking a tuk-tuk. These three-wheeled vehicles are a ubiquitous sight in Southeast Asia. In some countries like Thailand and Vietnam, trains are a comfortable and scenic way to travel between cities. Renting a motorbike is another popular option, especially in Bali and Thailand. Just be sure you have the proper license and insurance. Section 8. Budgeting your adventure, making your money last. Traveling Southeast Asia on a budget is easier than you think. With a little planning and these savvy tips, you can make your money last longer. Set a realistic budget. Before you go, determine how much you can afford to spend each day. This will help you track your expenses and avoid overspending. Take advantage of free activities. Southeast Asia is home to countless temples, markets, and natural wonders that are free to explore. Eat like a local. Street food is incredibly affordable and delicious. You can find a hearty meal for a few dollars. Haggle like a pro. Bargaining is expected in Southeast Asia, especially at markets. Travel during the shoulder season. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Section 9. Conclusion: Southeast Asia awaits. Southeast Asia, with its vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and affordable prices, is ready to welcome you with open arms. As we've explored, you don't need to be a millionaire to experience the magic of this incredible region. With a little planning and a sense of adventure, you can create memories to last a lifetime, all while staying well within your budget. Remember the thrill of bartering in Bangkok's bustling markets. Picture yourself cruising through the otherworldly beauty of Halong Bay. Recall the awe of standing before the ancient temples of Angkor. These experiences, and countless others, are within your reach. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Southeast Asia awaits.